Hi, Sanjeeva.
How are you?
Good, good, great, great. We are today out today, so sorry about the atmosphere.
Right. Where is Shannon? I want to see Shannon.
Sharon is here.
Hi, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good,
So
good,
we are
great.
going to the English Falls.
Ah, okay. What time
It's in the
is now?
Georgian Street.
Right. What time is right now?
Now it's here like almost 9:41.
Right. So, students, ladies and gentlemen, this is Shannon and Shranti. So they
Hi.
went to UK 2 to 3 weeks back. Actually, sorry,
Not
Canada
UK,
2 to 3
it's
weeks.
Canada.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Canada 2 to 3
That's fine.
weeks back. So Shranti got her offer letter from Georgian at ILAC, which is located in Toronto, and she has gone to study her graduate certificate program. And Shannon got his work permit. So Shiranti and Shannon, it's over to you. If you can share us about the experience. Shiranti, can you hear?
Okay. Yeah, I do hear. It's
Yeah.
like this. To be honest, we were finding for several consultants, and then finally I found Premier Consultants, and then I contacted Sanjeevan, and we met him.
Yeah, we
visited him, and he just gave us a detailed kind of a idea, like what is happening, what is going, everything. So after that, what we did was, okay, fine, we'll go for it. And then we gave the documents and we said him, like, we are okay, like we are ready to process, we'll go on. So Sanjeevan, we all prepared the documents, submitted. So hopefully by June we submitted, and then by end of July we received. So actually, Sanjeevan supported us very well. I mean, like, it's very hard to say. Normally, when you start writing a SOP, he like taught us everything. What should be included, what should not be included, and everything. And the other thing is, he was very friendly. And so to talk about Canada, why we chose Canada was mainly because of the job opportunities. They have a lot of job opportunities, which means like even a student can work part-time at any job. And also I will now tell Shannon to talk about.
Hi. So guys, what I need to tell is like basically, so we as Shiranti said, we were looking for a few agencies, not a few, lot of agencies. So then when the time we are calling and making the appointment, they ask some money because what is a special from the Sanjeevan, he didn't ask any single cent from us. So everything is done it for us. So like basically the documentation part and all, as Shiranti said, the SOP and other advisors. So now like they're an agency, Sanjeev is like a good friend to me because we also just 1 week after the quarantine. So we could be just exploring the Canada. So classes have been started, but so myself and Shiranti is like almost new to here and still on the travel mode. So that's why we are going here and there. So it's not hard to find the job as well, but only thing you have to be dedicated. And another thing, so since if I could, I don't want to boast my own trumpet, but I'm saying I was in the manager sale and back. So when I come here, I have made my mind to do anything because not in the bank, even the Tim Hortons, even the whatever the things, I made it my mind to do it. But I don't think that like Australia and other country, you don't get the cleaning jobs here. So normally there won't be a job. There's jobs like that, but you don't expect those things. You can get a better jobs like that. But what I'm saying is, I'll always depend on the Sanjeev because what he said, if you go to the right or left, I was always listen to his word. I didn't offend on giving the whatever the information and all. When you're applying for a visa and all, I didn't second thought of giving my even the secret details like a credit card numbers and all, but nothing was happened. Still, I'm using those cards with a good limit. But I'll give that assurance for your guys who are there to get the details from like in the sense like when you're applying and all. I don't think with the situation you can go and give the credit card numbers and all, but make sure Still, I'm using those cards. Nothing was happening. Still, the security is there because I have put it roaming and all. So nothing to worry about it when you're giving the details to him. So that's another thing I should tell. So all in all, what I say, I don't. Finally, we could meet and thank Sanjeev for this opportunity. So that's I'm regretting. So whenever we are coming, definitely we'll meet and have a good time with Sanjeev.
Thank you so much, Anand, and we should thank you for the number of references you have given.
Yeah, so that's another thing. And another thing, guys, so if you're planning to come here, don't tell to anyone other than your parents. So that is the most important thing what we have done. Until the final moment, no one don't know that we are coming here. So after you come here, you will realize how hard to answer those calls and all. So therefore, keep the secrets with y'all. So don't tell your next step to the others. So keep it everything with y'all.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Sanjeev.
Thank you so much for your time. Y'all can carry on. Thank you so much.
Okay, Sanjay, then thanks. If any student need anything to verify, just feel free to contact through my WhatsApp. So my local number is still there.
Right.
So I don't mind whatever the things are saying because we also getting so many helps. So that's why we also have the trip today with those helps. So you can see the crew and all. So therefore, Sanjay, I'll take a break. Is it okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Shranti. See you then. Take care.
Shiranti is still climbed down.
Right. No issues.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
All the best. Okay, bye.